Whole piece of like Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be working with Nadula hair. So I'm going to be doing this Bodywave Nadula hair on our gorgeous model. She was so much fun to work with. So I already went ahead to do her makeup. I did her makeup in one of my classes. Register for one of my classes if you want to do one-on-one. So this was the look that we created in class. I was teaching them cut crease. Our model Jessica is a vibe. So right now I'm showing you the hair. I've already washed it. I plucked it. What's it called? I bleached the knots on the frontal. So work has gone into this hair. As you can see, work has gone into this hair, and the lace was a very nice lace to work with. Like you can already see what the lace looks like. Yeah, so I'm just putting it on to check to see if I need to cut any excess by the ear tabs. To be honest with you guys, I fucked up with this install. I should have just left it as it is. I swear those lights are blinding. When I was looking at it when I was installing the hair, it looked like it was dark, so I wanted to make it lighter. I should have just left it like this. Like looking at it now, this was not a bad color on her. I went to go and make it lighter and that became too light. I'm still learning every day. So right now I'm just using a small manicure scissors to cut off the excess lace in a zigzag motion like I'm doing right now.
I think I like it how it is. Bitch, what you got good?
So right now I'm proceeding to put the foundation like I told you before. At this point is when she knew she fucked up. But guys, can you look at this cut crease? We're cutting what? Our haters. So right now I'm using wipes and alcohol to clean the hairline, to clean all the makeup and every dirt residue around that area so it will stick well. So for the install, I'm using bold hold glue. I used only one layer because I was going to take it off that same day. I don't know, I really hate using got2b spray. It's just hard. Like if you use bold hold, you can do your install in 5 to 10 minutes, literally. Like it dries quickly. You can just do the whole, like you don't have to do section by section. You don't even need hair dryer. Like I just put one layer of the bold hold glue and just let it dry. Like 2, 3, 4, at most 5 minutes. If that dry clear, I just put it on. Like that's how easy it is to use bold hold. It's just that it requires patience to take off. Otherwise, you just take off your hair. A tip for when you're taking it off: use oil and alcohol. It will just come off like a breeze. Just spray it on, give it a few minutes to soak in, then just take it off. That's it. So yeah, like I was saying, you see it has already dry clear, like easy peasy. So now I'm just proceeding to lay the hair. I'm using my tail comb. When I bring it down, I use the edge of my tail comb, the tail of my tail comb, to press it into the glue like I'm doing right now.
My shoestrings untied, I'm running full speed with scissors in hand. I love pointy things. Let's fall on the floor next to all of our needs. Let's lose inhibition. Let's fly like our dreams is reality. Real things ain't quite what they seem. Once you hold it, does it gleam? If it's green, is there a soul? Is a soul a real thing? If you're really in the know, is it all a scripted show with the cameras and lights and the laugh track to kill all of my loneliness inside, and a casting crew of friends who are always there when things get dry to crack a joke? But instead I'm hearing Cali up in smoke in real life where the whole world broke and the pizza always froze. But it's all good, this is all I'll ever know, so I better chow down while the
Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. It has entered. So right now I'm taking off the hairs that I'm going to use for the baby hairs. This girl is so pretty. Do you see how gorgeous she is? Like, oh, just teasing me with her eyes. Y'all should book this model. I'll leave her Instagram handle, the Instagram handle of her modeling agency, in my description box below, in case you're interested in working with her. So after taking out the baby hairs, I'm going to go into my hair wax. Just use this to slick it back. Then going with my hot comb.
Even throughout all the mess and regrets, piled cigarettes and the rest. All you got's every breath till your last, and then you'll be dead. So live it all good. Eat the journos in bed. Keep grateful for what you got. Don't let that ego in head. Keep it free, boy. Keep them strings off me, boy.
So now I'm cutting the baby hairs. Then I went ahead to use a Lotta body lotion to slick the baby hairs back like so. So now I'm using elastic band to tie it down while Auntie Dobra, that girl Dobra, proceeds to style the hair. So before she started styling, I went back into the hot comb one more time. Alright, so Dora is doing the half up, half down style. So she just sectioned the top parts that she was going to pack up. Then she started curling the hair at the back. I'm just going to let you guys watch to see how she styled this hair. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just watch and see how she styled the hair. So yeah, now she's taking off the elastic band. That is pretty much it for the styling of this hair. Our model is so pretty. Like, I can't get over how pretty she is. So yeah, like I said, the hair is from Nadula hair. It's their Bodywave wig, 150% density. It was actually quite full for 150% density. I'm going to leave all the details in my description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Big ups to Dobra for styling the hair. Big ups to Jessica for being an amazing and patient model. And big ups to Nadula hair for working with your girl. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.